Sunil and Neshvi. I have completed my Bachelor of Business Management, and after completing my graduation, I am pursuing Innovation Banking Operations from Imarticus Learning. Currently, I am working in station as a AML KYC analyst. After completing my graduation, I am searching for job opportunities, but I am not able to get any job opportunity. So I thought I have to do some course. Then I came to Innovation Banking. This training is conducted by industry experts, and they have maximum 15 years of work experience, so that would help to start our career. And the way of their teaching, that is also helpful, and the communication in classes and the interview preparations offered by them, that would help to get me. In my view, that curriculum was helpful. They are teaching what we expecting, or the current scenario, what's going on job market. They're teaching those all things, so that would help me a lot. It was a wonderful experience, and it's a memorable experience. Yes, definitely I will recommend this course because they are offering a good companies and a good teaching. So that's why.